wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best kids table and chairs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Baby Relax Hunter is an attractive option crafted from solid wood. It features a low lip around the edge that helps keep puzzle pieces and spills contained. Crayon marks wipe off it easily, however it can't support a lot of weight, and kids may find the colors boring. At number 9, LEGO fans will appreciate the Tot Tutor CT599. It features a removable plastic cover that opens up to reveal an activity table for brick building. There's a convenient storage compartment in the middle too, though that could be a little bigger. It's also compatible with Duplo blocks and the lid snaps on securely, but the legs can slide on hard floors. Coming in at number 8 in our list, parents on a tight budget will appreciate the low price of the Oxgord PLTC01, and youngsters will enjoy the fact that each component is in a different vibrant color. If you have limited space, you'll be happy to learn the chairs are stackable. It can all be disassembled for storage too, and is made of BPA-free plastic. However, the materials are slippery. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Table and Chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the KidCraft 26165 is good for everything from hosting tea parties to finger painting. In the center of the desk, there's a lid that provides access to a storage net, which is a good place for keeping small toys and cups and saucers. It features a stain-resistant surface and a minimalist design, but the screws tend to fall out. Moving up our list to number 6, the Bee Spaces by Batat Craft is a mid-century modern style option that features sturdy wooden legs and a plastic tabletop and seats that are easy to clean. Because of the design and muted tones, it shouldn't be an eyesore in any room. The chairs are comfortable and additional ones can be purchased separately. The desk sports an etched pattern. Halfway up our list at number 5, if your kids love everything Disney, they'll appreciate the Delta Children TT894, which is available in a Mickey or Minnie themed option. All the components sport vibrant coloring and high-quality graphics. It boasts a scratch-resistant finish and is stable on both hard and soft flooring. The smooth surface is easy to wipe clean. At number 4, the MeCore storage has bins beneath the seats that can be used to house books, art supplies or toys. It's constructed of environmentally friendly and non-toxic materials, and each piece has rounded edges to prevent injuries. It's also available in white, and the surfaces are easy to clean. The bins can be removed. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Melissa & Doug 2427 is a very sturdy and dependable choice for growing children. Each of its hardwood seats is 11 inches tall, which suits kids in the 3 to 6 age range well, and the table's natural finish should blend in seamlessly with most decors. The table is designed to not tip easily, and the chairs can support up to 100 pounds. Assembly is quick and easy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Table and Chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the ECR4 Kids Curved Set is small enough for children, but still offers a spacious area to work and play. The sturdy hardwood stands up to daily use, and all the pieces are lightweight enough to move around the room as needed. The surfaces are lacquered and the chairs have anti-tip back legs. It's also available with stools. And coming in at number 1 in our list, the ECR4 Kids Bentwood is a versatile option with a sleek look that would fit in well with modern decor. Every component in this 3-piece set can be used as either a seat or a table, and offers 2 heights to suit little ones of different ages. They come with handle cutouts for easy carrying, and the desk is big enough for 2 kids. It doesn't require any assembly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kids Table and Chairs, or simply click beneath this video.